Welcome back to AI Weekly News by Cyber Intel Systems. I'm glad you're with us. I'm your host, Leo Smith. Today's story is about government defense and military. The current legislative push is mandating a crucial technical shift. The embedding of responsible AI by design principles from the earliest stages of development. This goes beyond simply building powerful algorithm. It means pragmatizing explainability, ensuring that AI systems can articulate the reasoning and decision-making process rather than operating as opaque black boxes. The technical focus is also on robustness, guaranteeing that AI systems perform reliably and predictably, even in adversarial or unexpected conditions, a critical requirement for battlefield applications. Furthermore, new guardrails will require mechanisms for human oversight and intervention at key decision points, particularly concerning lethal or critical decision-making capabilities. This includes developing clear thresholds for meaningful human control and human-in-the-loop operations. From a technical standpoint, this necessitates the creation of robust testing protocols, mandatory validation processes. The technical challenge is to balance the speed of innovation with the imperative for trustworthy, accountable, and ethically sound AI systems. The consideration of tighter guardrails carries profound implications for the defense AI industry. Firstly, in terms of market access and competition, this could potentially favor larger companies with the resources for extensive compliance, rigorous testing, and detailed documentation. However, it also creates a substantial demand for new services focused on AI governance, explainability, and ethical assurance, potentially opening significant niches for specialized monos in these areas. For product development, companies will be compelled to fundamentally rethink their approach. The focus will shift from purely performance-driven metrics to a balanced strategy incorporating trust and accountability. This means integrating explainability, robustness, fairness, and human oversight mechanisms directly into product life cycles. While some initial hesitancy might arise from regulatory uncertainty, clear guardrails could ultimately accelerate long-term investment by de-risking the market and providing a stable framework for innovation. We will also see a surge in demand for AI ethics experts and regulatory compliance specialists, indicating a shift in the required talent pool. The push for tighter guardrails is being spearheaded by a broad coalition of stakeholders. U.S. lawmakers, particularly within Congress and the Senate, are taking concrete steps with committees such as the Senate and House Armed Services Committees playing a central role in drafting and debating potential restrictions. This week's discussions specifically highlight an increased legislative focus, with lawmakers actively working on draft language for potential amendments to the annual National Defense Authorization Act, or standalone legislation. Let's pause here for a short break. We'll be right back after this bumper. Welcome back. If you find this useful, follow and subscribe to AI Weekly News. Now let's continue the news. Within the executive branch, the Department of Defense, under the leadership of the Chief Digital and AI Officer, remains a pivotal player tasked with accelerating AI adoption. Organizations like the Defense Innovation Unit are crucial in bridging commercial tech with military needs, though their innovations will increasingly need to conform to forthcoming regulations. Industry players from major contractors to emerging AI companies are actively engaging with lawmakers, seeking to influence the legislative process to ensure regulations are practicable. The reported consensus among experts, from think tanks to academic institutions, is that while AI offers undeniable benefits, unchecked autonomy, this widespread understanding girds the urgency and momentum behind the current legislative efforts to establish clear oversight mechanisms. The immediate future points towards a sustained and complex legislative process. We can expect initial proposals to undergo significant revisions as lawmakers balance national security imperatives with ethical considerations and crucial industry input. A central challenge will be defining meaningful human control and human-in-the-loop thresholds for various levels of autonomy, particularly concerning kinetic effects, a complex philosophical and technical debate with profound implications. This period will likely see a push for standardized testing, validation, and certification processes for military AI, similar to those in other safety-critical sectors. These U.S. efforts will inevitably influence international norms, with continued discussions within multilateral forums. Ultimately, any regulation must be durable enough to provide stability, but flexible enough to adapt to the rapid evolution of AI technology, including increasingly sophisticated foundation models. The overarching goal is to harness the immense power of AI for national defense, while upholding democratic values and ensuring human oversight remains paramount. This is all for this edition of AI in Lights. Join us next time as we continue to explore the cutting edge of artificial intelligence. Thank you for listening to AI Weekly News by Cyber Intel Systems. Subscribe and join us next week for the latest AI stories. We'll let the music take it from here.